Hi, everyone. My name is Pam Schilling, and I am the CEO and founder of Archer Career. Before I tell you what we do, maybe I'll just say a little bit about why we do what we do. I had a really fantastic career. I had a nice opportunity to work in multiple companies after getting my MBA, but I still faced a lot of challenges and uncertainty. And although I had some great mentors, I wasn't always sure where to go to get great career advice. And when I started coaching, I just felt that I wanted to give back and to share some of the experiences that I had, and also conduct a lot of research to be sure that the types of things you need to have to get a job and advance in your career are in your hands. And so because of that experience, I founded Archer Career. And along with my team, we have technology that enables you to be productive in your job search and successful ultimately. And then it's backed up by a decade of coaching experience, working with all kinds of different students and professionals, working with companies and helping people get into selective organizations to make career changes and to really just wrestle with some of the career questions that you have. So now, as we embark on this next stage of our journey, we're putting together a tremendous amount of resources. Some of them are accessible and free to everybody. Some of them are through our programs, whether it's software or workshops or one-on-one coaching. And I encourage you to come and find us at www.archercareer.com and be a part of this community to help everyone get to the place that you want to be in your career. Thanks.